Now to our other top story. The LeGrand woman charged in the murders of her 3 children appeared in court for her preliminary hearing today. Patricia Ortiz was at times emotional when prosecutors shared evidence they say shows she suffocated her children in January of 2022. And thank you for joining us tonight for Action News Live at 6. I'm Margot Kim.
And good evening, I'm Warren Armstrong. In a story you'll see only on Action News, reporter Vince Ibarra shares what happened in the courtroom and the wave of support for the suspect. And we do want to warn you, some of the details in this case may be difficult to hear.
Patricia Ortiz entered a Merced County courtroom in shackles on Tuesday morning for her preliminary hearing. Ortiz is accused of killing her 3 young children in January 2022.
The defendant acted with deliberation.
When the judge read the charges, Ortiz was visibly upset. She's charged with 3 counts of murder after prosecutors say she killed her 2 daughters, 8-year-old Anna and 3-year-old Alexa, and her son, 5-year-old Mateo, before trying to kill herself. The deputy who arrived first on the scene testified he found Ortiz in the bathtub.
And what, if anything, did you observe upon arriving at the bathroom?
A female that had lacerations to her lower arms and there was blood everywhere.
Deputy Bender says he then proceeded to one of the bedrooms where he found the 5-year-old boy receiving CPR from a neighbor.
That his arm was stiff in the air.
Bender says the 2 girls were in another room, placed in a bed facing each other. Both young girls were cold to the touch. The coroner eventually ruling all 3 children were suffocated.
The swollen brain, the asphyxial changes in the brain.
Mark Super, the forensic pathologist who performed the autopsy, says it would have taken roughly 5 minutes to smother each child. In addition to suffocating, Super says it appeared 8-year-old Anna may have been bound.
On the wrists around these marks were these sticky particles of foreign material. These actually did look like particles of tape.
Despite the prosecution's theory, a wave of support filled the courtroom for Ortiz. Her brother spoke with Action News and says he wishes he knew sooner his sister was suffering from mental health issues.
We want
her to see and feel our presence and the love we have for her. We're going to be here to support her always because she deserves it. She's a good person.
And Ortiz will be back in court on Wednesday morning. In Merced, Vince Ibarra, ABC 30 Action News.
If you or a loved one is struggling with mental health issues and needs support, you can call or text the number on your screen right now, 988. The number for the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline is also on your screen. To learn more about resources in the Central Valley, watch our ABC 30 documentary, A Critical State of Mind. It's available on demand anytime on our ABC 30 apps.
In the South Valley,